All right, folks. Well, day one. We rode 1,900 miles to get here. Slogged it through. A couple great mates. Dan down. You guys have seen Dan before. Got Greg, Max Headroom, Sparky. Call them all kinds of names. But we stayed at the motel. We got in yesterday. Great place. Highly recommend it. But yeah, so we did well. We did 600 miles one day, 900, and then 400 and some to get here. So pretty crazy. These old bones getting closer to more like life's journey at 60 than I am 50. But good for the soul. Good to get out, get in the saddle, just ride across America. Although slabbing it most of the way was not the funnest part until we actually got to Wyoming, and then we took 30. If you've ever done 30, I would tell you, if you're coming from the east, if you're coming from the Midwest, or you're coming from maybe the southeast from the Texas area, and you come up to do the Idaho BDR, and you're coming through Wyoming and you're on 80, pick up 30, take it the back way to get into Jarbidge, and you will absolutely, it's a fantastic ride. Highly recommend it. Off the beaten path, and really a great road. So again, we're here. We have a little breakfast this morning to kick off day one of the Idaho BDR. Look forward to it, folks. I hope you do too. We're going to eat right. Let me move my head camera. Right there. All right, folks. We'll see you guys later. Thank you for everything. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Gentlemen, start our engines. What's wrong? What did he do? What happened now? You stalled your bike to start with. Alright, this is what we spent the last 3 days trying to do here, guys. Oh my god, yeah. Think about this. It all started off, we were going to do the Southeast BDR, and it turned into this. Alright. We are leaving the wonderful town of Jarbidge. Jarbidge. Why do I keep putting an R in there? Jarbidge. No, there's not. No, there's no R in the spelling either. Beautiful morning. Look at it. It's a beautiful morning. No, she came in early and got us out of there early. Had a great breakfast. We just added to their economy there. Well, that was dinners and drinks and everything. Look at that up there. Look at that rock up on top of there by itself. It's a nice little, just coming up out of Jarbidge. Oh, there we go. See, we got deer. Two of them. One's going over my edge. One's on top of the ridge, looking to come down. There. Look at that. Oh, watch out. I don't need you. Stay down there. Stay down there. There he goes. That's a beautiful sight down in there. All right, now we truly start this thing because we went down and back again. And this looked like 100 miles of dead straight. yeah, now they realize that, yeah, and they're looking at me like, okay, what are you going to do, dude? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Move along. Let's go. Get your little one over there. Let's go. There you go. Come on, little one. Let's go. Oh, look at that tag taking a dump. Oh, I would get the video. I got it. All right, move along, people. Thank you. Much appreciated. Thanks for working with us and cooperating with the local authorities. Cattle. It is desolate, folks. I will say that on section 1, outside of being in Jarbidge, it is desolate. It is like, yeah, it's just desolate. And then you got the cattle you got to worry about so nobody runs in front of you. Hello. See who we got down here. Don't get spooked. Don't come charging me. Hello. But it is desolate, as you can see. And the road just kind of keeps getting smaller, more chopped up. But it just goes on and on and on. It shows the food place down the street. Oh, hey, do you guys want to go here or up there?
Let's go see what that place looks like.
Okay. All right, there's a food market here. We'll go here. We just got done a little bit of Glenn's Ferry, and now we're out of here. Let's see how far we get for this section. Dan, what happened right there? Oh, do you need help? Oh, look at the He-Man Woman Hater Club. Now, please don't drop it on the other side. I can't believe you dumped it on this side now. Okay. Tilt it your way. Got it.
Alright, now let's go on this. Yeah. Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, here we go. Well, I don't want to pull you and get to the edge and that's beautiful. Beautiful. One lane traffic. Because I want to take a looky-see. Yeah, check that out, guys. I mean, look at that water. All right, I made it. No parking or stopping on the dam, folks. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? Well, you could actually go down that way if you wanted to go see the rest of it. But we are on a mission, gentlemen. Yeah, this thing's vast. Look at that thing. I just don't want to get fixated and go running over the edge, but gosh, this thing's huge. Wow. Headed towards Trinity Lakes. Good climb. Car coming.
They weren't even paying attention, dudes. The fucking second one almost hit me.
It's a beautiful picture. I'm trying to look, pay attention, going in curves, make sure there's no traffic. I got all kinds of stuff going on. Didn't you see the $10 to camp? Right here. Dan, we got space for you right here.